Also, I'm gonna show you how to operate my travel planner app. So first, you go to the flight page and choose like the country that you want, like you're gonna be like leaving from. So for this example, I'm gonna choose Hong Kong and the city that you're going to. And for this example, it's Dubai. And next is like the hotel tabs, where you can choose like the hotel that you want to book at your destination. So since we chose the destination to be Dubai, we gotta choose like the destination for the hotel to be Dubai also. And then choose whatever hotel that you want to book with. So I'm gonna choose Premium and the room type that you want to choose. I'm gonna choose standard, and for this block you put the amount of nights that you want to stay at the hotel. I'm gonna put 4, and when you're ready you click show results, and here it goes. It shows all the results about like the flight, the hotel, and how much the flight and hotel combine. So if you wanna restart everything again, make sure you click cancel. Yeah, and that's it.